Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen from 4 days, there is a continuous fall we have seen. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen, it has already made a low of around 2395. Okay, chances can be high that if the price started falling below a level of 2410, we can see there can be a further downfall. Okay, but if it started sustaining, that means if it started going above a level of 2412, then there is a probability that it can go towards 2418 and then a further upside towards a level of 2430. We can see this is what we can see looking at this particular chart. But if you look at the overall chart, I have told you at this level that there is a buying situation coming at a level of 2431 to a high of around 2478, because there is a clear pattern forming towards an upside. Now if the price keep moving above this level and if it sustain above a level of 2433, we can see there will be a further upside towards 2450, and then we can see there can be a further high. Okay, today we have seen that the movement is not that volatile, but as soon as the price, see, suppose if the price started going towards high of 2418, then we can see there can be higher side towards an upside. But if it started falling below a level of 2395, then a further downfall we can see, because this pattern will support towards downside and a further fall we can see. But if the price keep moving above this level, a further upside movement we can see. Now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, there will be a higher chances that if the price started falling below a level of around 2388, this is a strong support. Okay, previous and now before that there is a strong support at level 2392. So this where we can see a bounce back can come. With the dollar index also, what we have seen, a swing has already formed. That is where it is trying to go higher. Okay, and if the price started going higher, we can see that the gold price can come down. This is what we have seen. Okay, it has already made a low of around $102.213. Okay, but yesterday what we have seen, the dollar index was also moving upside and the gold price was also moving upside. Sometimes this happened. So in order to reduce this uncertainty, try to put your SL, and once you start in profit, try to trail your SL so your profit can be saved. These two things you can do. Now coming back again on the gold price, see, now if you look at this dollar index, what we have seen, you have to keep it in mind. If the price started going above 104, a further upside movement we can see, because see, 104 is a strong resistance. Okay, so probability of moving further upside. But if the price started going below a level of 103.5, a further downfall we can see. And if the price started going below 103 again, we can see a further fall. See, the price is already in between this level. So if it started falling below 103 and then a further fall we can see. So if the price started falling, we can see the gold price will come up. Now the gold price trading at a level of 2411.585. Suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can touch a level of $2418, which is already being tested here. So chances of going towards a level of around 2425 we can see. Okay, suppose if the price moving above that particular zone, we can see it will go towards a level of around 2432. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of around 2439. Okay, before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so if the price started going above a level of $24,390.39, a further upside movement we can see towards its next resistance of $2450, and then a further high towards a level of $2458. Okay, and once started sustaining over 2458, we will see it will cross a level of around 2462, and then a further upside towards a level of $2478. Okay, and if that sustain, a further high we can see. But you have to understand, as I have already explained you, market is uncertain. Okay, and this particular pattern is supporting towards an upside. So if the price started going above a level of 2433 also, there can be a further upside movement we can see. But as I've already explained you, market is uncertain. So if the price didn't sustain, started falling below this level, then we can see it can go towards $2404. And if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of $2395. Okay, and if the price started falling below 2395, it can go towards a level of 2391. Okay, and then a further downfall we can see towards a level of around $2386. Okay, chances are very high that if the price started falling below this particular level of around 2387, a level of around 2377 we can see, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of 2365. Okay, this is what we see. If the price started going below that particular level, you will see the price will go below a level of $23.56, and then a further fall, then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.